Hello, everybody. This is Jacob from Badger State Alarms and Sirens, formerly Kingdom Player. I've received yet again another acquisition in the mail just now, actually. Surprise, by some miracle, it managed to get here all right, despite it being, despite there being 30.9 inches of snow outside currently. But, yeah, really cool. These are some pretty cool units, and I'll be excited to show you. Let me open this up. Oh wait, I might have to use a cardboard knife for this. I'm gonna have to use a cardboard knife. This is kind of embarrassing. Okay, so I got back with the cardboard knife. Here we go. I'm gonna like be. Oh, wow, yeah. It's labeled. Here you go. I actually got two of them for Caleb. Well, this one of them's going to Caleb. I don't know what this is, but yeah, these are Probe 105s. They're just regular run-of-the-mill 101s, but with a silencer. These are really cool. Probably the most generic smoke alarm design, but still really nice. The thing is, it's clamshell, so I'm gonna have to use these scissors, which I still have, convenient, to open them. Okay, well, this will probably do. Maybe not. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never really... Oh, wait. Actually, that worked. I'm surprised. I don't think I even needed the scissors. Very professional over here. How do you get this stupid thing? Okay, so it took me about another 20 seconds of struggle to finally get this out. Yeah, really nice. Ooh, the button's kind of stiff. Not the most satisfying, but still a really cool unit. Classic ionization sensor look to it. Mounting bracket. Oh man, what about this part? Come on. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Really nice. I'll be doing that one in a second. Okay, so the second one only took about 10 seconds. Yeah, I'm gonna, conveniently enough, I have two batteries here. I only have one actual, like, working 9-volt. I'm gonna have to get another one. Here we go. Yeah, I got another one now. This came from my Kiddo 2030 DSR. Let's fire it up. I'm gonna do this one first. Doesn't beep when I plug it in. It's those stupid battery tabs that I hate, or battery thingies that I hate so much. Let's see if it works. Wow, it's very slow and kind of low pitched. It works though. That's pretty cool. Oh, how do you get this out now? I have... well, you know, it doesn't really matter. I have the second battery with me. I am the smartest person on planet Earth. Let's try to get this bracket off. Oh my gosh. I'm following the arrow. Come on. Why is this one so hard? There. This one is also made the same day. Yeah, they're both the same. Southwest Laboratories, Costa Mesa, California. Where's that other battery? Here. Let's put it in. Let's do this one. That sounds the same. Hold on. This one had a bit of a wind up. It was weird. Huh. Alright. This one has an even slower 4.6. That's kind of fun. Yeah, really cool. I'm gonna be getting my can of smoke spray real quick. I'll be doing a quick smoke test. Be right back. Like I said, I'm a very professional person, and I just found out that it was in the room I'm in right now. Oh my god, I'm not having a good day today. Here. Oh my god, it worked. That's awesome. I'm not sure how safe the aerosol is to breathe in. Uh-oh. Oh wait, it does work. Alright. Yeah, the silencer and the alarms work pretty nice. That was it for this video, essentially. See you in the next one. Bye. Okay, well...